In this video, we'll show you how to complete a permanent installation of your Starlink. Permanent installation is recommended for best performance, cable protection, and long-term reliability. Let's begin by finding the ideal location for your Starlink. You'll want a clear view of the sky, free from obstructions. The Starlink app has a built-in tool for identifying obstructions like hills, trees, and buildings. For best results, use the app at the exact height and location you plan to install your Starlink. Here is an example of a bad location. This tree is blocking Starlink's line of sight to the satellites, causing interruptions and drops while using the internet. This site is clear and perfect for your Starlink to connect with the Starlink satellite constellation. Now let's look at some mounting options. A variety of mounts are available on the Starlink shop, including installation on an eave, roof, wall, and come in drilling and non-drilling options. When selecting an area to install your Starlink, avoid locations that require drilling above living areas. A pipe adapter is also available and is designed to fit existing roof mounts or pipes. Whichever mount you choose, make sure the mast of the Starlink is installed vertically. Now let's plan the route for your cable. Making sure it's long enough to connect to the router with enough slack to allow for changes due to heat and cold. When selecting a location to route your cable, avoid drilling into existing plumbing or electrical hardware. When you're ready to route your cable, plug the triangular end into the router, then route the other end of the cable from the inside of your house to the outside. The Starlink shop offers longer cables and a cable routing kit to simplify the process. While routing the cable, protect the connector from damage, debris, and moisture, and be careful to avoid kinks and cuts in the cable. Lastly, plug the Starlink cable into the mast and position the Starlink in the base. The Starlink will automatically adjust to the ideal angle. You've completed a permanent installation, ensuring a stable and consistent internet experience for your home. Starlink is designed for self-installation. If your home presents unique installation challenges, consider hiring a professional to help. For additional information on installing your Starlink safely, please review the Starlink installation instructions provided in the box.